Welcome to iChef, the marketplace for cooking talent. iChef provides commercial kitchens for cooks who enter the iChef network to cook individualized, homemade, fresh meals for the rest of us. Through iChef's web portal and chef ratings, both hobby cooks and pros compete to win the hearts and business of consumers. This is Jack. It's lunchtime and Jack is hungry. What can he eat quickly? Jack considers his options. Nothing too enticing. Same old, too fatty, too salty, too bad. This is Jill. She just pulled a rack of lamb out of the oven. She loves to cook, and her friends are very lucky because they get to eat her delicious food for free. But what if Jack could buy his lunch from Jill, and even more people like Jill? With iChef, Jack can buy lunch from Jill or any other awesome cook he fancies. The cooks are doing their thing in iChef's kitchen, and you can go watch them if you want. Jack has a food profile, and iChef knows about his preferences, budget, dietary needs, and even weight maintenance goals. iChef matches chefs with Jack if he's overwhelmed with his options. Or he can just browse, read reviews, and then just order. Click, done. The rack of lamb was delicious. Jack leaves Jill a rave review. Apparently Jacob, Joel, Jessica, who were lucky enough to eat Jill's food, thought so too. They too left rave reviews. Jill is the talk of the town, and everybody being fed by her is quite happy. Can Jill be the next star chef? Talk about a win-win situation. Imagine a world with an abundance of menus and food made with love at your fingertips every day. iChef, chefs for the rest of us.